Did you know there's a whole community out there that have the same questions and even answers that you might be looking for? Well, that community is investing for beginners. And yes, we are a community of over 70,000 strong members. We have tons of daily active content members. We have posts, polls, we have content, we have media and pictures and a ton of stuff just for you because you are looking on a way to start your investing journey and maybe even one day find financial freedom and quit your job. If you're watching this on YouTube right now and you are not a member of our community, definitely subscribe to this channel first and then hop over onto Facebook or even Instagram where we have Investing for Beginners community just for you. Now, this is a private group. You will have to request a membership, but if you are not a robot, AI, or a spammer, scammer, or any other thing other than someone who's genuinely excited and intrigued by investing and wants to know more, then you will be accepted into this group. Now, tons of content all the time. New week, new start. What's on your mind? We want to know what's on your mind right now. What are you investing in? This gentleman here, Paul Miller, he put mutual funds, choose small, medium, or large cap, companies around the world, 25% international, 25% growth, fairly stable, moderate risk and return. Most predictable in performance would be your 25% in growth and income, and then unpredictable, high risk, high return would be 25% aggressive growth. Now we're talking things like Meta and AMD and those speculative stocks that everyone's excited about. Now, this person's excited about Christmas, jobs, and trading. Okay, we got tons of media. If you had to hold one stock for the rest of your life, what is it? We have tons of people commenting on that. This one says Tesla has been so good to me. This one says chicken stock, which is literally bouillon cubes, so don't do that. Tesla, again, Microsoft, Tesla, Cremola foam. Okay, that's an interesting. I'll have to check that one out. AAPL or Apple, Microsoft. So there are definitely people talking. There's definitely people enjoying this community right now. So if you're not in, you definitely gonna be in. This is a 70,000 member group. We are one of the largest investing groups on the Facebook platform. So definitely get involved in the conversation. Head on over, and I personally will see you there. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.